I sing this tune, your light shines bright like afternoon. Through happy days and nights of gloom, you paint the sky with silver bloom. When laughter fades and tears appear, your gentle glow stays ever near. Thank you for watching over me through every storm and memory. Enjoy your pain, you always see my heart that beats so endlessly. Through seasons change, you stay so true. Your constant light, my guiding view. When shadows fall and skies turn blue, you rise again in golden hue. When laughter fades and tears appear, your gentle glow stays ever near. Thank you for watching over through every storm and memory. Enjoy your pain, you always see my heart that beats so endlessly. Thank you for watching over me through every storm and memory. Enjoy your pain, you always see my heart that beats